guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we are going to be finally opening the Encanto mystery pins. I have been contemplating lots and lots and lots about whether I buy these, and I finally just decided to go for it when they were on Shop Disney UK at 3 for 2. And I was going, yes, I'm going to make use of that offer. So they have all the options on the side here now. I don't understand why they're doing this, but we'll roll with it. So we've got Casita, Mirabel, Isabella, Antonio. This one says, I believe in me with Mirabel. The Family Magic, Luisa and Familia. I'm sorry if they didn't show up very well, but I will be giving you a closer look when I pull each pin out of the box. These boxes are getting so much harder to open these days. So just like every other pop pin, they come in these blind bags. As usual, Disney, where is the tear strip? Please start adding a tear strip. I just know it would make life easier. So we have 4 boxes to open today, and there are 2 pins, as I said, in each box. So hopefully we have a small chance of collecting the whole set. Each set comes in this white sort of paper or card. And the first pin we have is absolutely stunning. We have the Casita. I love all the colours on this. It's absolutely stunning. Just so gorgeous. On to pin number 2. Oh, this one is a double pin back. That's very exciting. And this one is one of my absolute favourite characters from Encanto. We've got Antonio. He is so adorable with all those animals there. I absolutely love him, and his relationship with Mirabel is just, he is gorgeous. So we shall see who else we can get. On to pin number 3. Who have we got? Oh, yay! We have got Mirabel! You can't have a set of Encanto bins without Mirabel, can you? She is gorgeous. I love all the colours in her dress. She is just absolutely adorable. Okay, so this pin feels tiny. So I wonder who this could be. I'm thinking, yes, I thought so. We have got Isabella in her beautiful dress. She is stunning. She is a lot smaller than I expected her to be. These pins are actually not as big as I expected, which is a little bit odd. But that's good so far. We've got 4 unique pins and 4 more to go. So left we just need Believe in Me, the Magic Family, the Familia pin and Luisa. But I unfortunately don't think we have any of those. Yep, we have got another Isabella. So she will be for trade. And this pin feels massive. We've got the familiar pin. Says familiar in the middle with Mirabelle and Antonio. The colours are absolutely gorgeous. Love those. And we're on to our last box. So hopefully we will have no duplicates. Yay! We finally have all the sisters. We have got Louisa in her dress there with her strong muscles. Doesn't she look lovely? Let's put her down with her sisters on the pin board. And we're on to our final pin, guys. Who do you think we are going to get? Send that magic across. Oh, yay, we've got a new pin. And this pin says the magic of family. How gorgeous. So guys, I am so impressed. We have been so successful today, which is not normally like us when it comes to pin unboxings. These are all the pins that we collected, and we only have one trader. So I will be able to use this to trade for the I Believe in Me pin. But I haven't decided whether I want to keep these yet. But I will let you know if I start an Encanto collection. So please let me know in the comments down below, guys, which pin was your favourite. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps the channel so much. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.